Welcome to your English learning adventure. Get ready to listen, learn new words, and have fun practicing English. Before you watch, make sure to subscribe. It tells YouTube you like this content, and they'll recommend it to more people like you. Let's grow together.
The next morning, Robo wakes up early. The little gray cat is still sleeping on the couch. Robo looks out of the window. The city is already busy. Cars move, people walk, and birds fly in the bright sky. Robo says, "Today, I want to explore more of Cityvell." The cat jumps onto Robo's shoulder and meow, meow, as if to say, "Let's go!" They walk together to the Cityvell market. The market is full of people. There are fruit stands, toy shops, and colorful balloons everywhere. It is loud, exciting, and a little confusing for Robo. Suddenly, Robo hears a loud ding-dong. A bell rings from a toy shop. Children laugh and run to see the toys. Robo feels happy to watch them. He thinks, "I was made to explore, and this is so exciting." But then something happens. A little girl drops her red balloon. The balloon flies high into the sky. The girl looks sad. Robo stretches his arm as high as he can, but the balloon is too far. The cat climbs up a fruit stand and points with its tail. Robo hesitates for a moment. Then he climbs up quickly, gently takes the balloon, and gives it back to the girl. The girl smiles and says, "Thank you, Robo." The cat rubs against Robo's leg, purring proudly. Robo feels warm inside. He is not lonely anymore.
At the end of the day, Robo and the cat walk home. Robo looks at the city lights and thinks, friendship starts with one kind action. And today, we found more smiles in Cityvell.
Great job, everyone! Now it's time to learn some new words from our story. Welcome to vocabulary time. Let's look at some words, their meanings, and examples.
Early, when something happens before the usual time. Example, she goes to school early in the morning. Confusing, something hard to understand. Example, the map is confusing for me. Gently, in a soft and careful way. Example, he touched the baby gently. Rubs, to move your hand or body on something. Example, the cat rubs its head on my leg. Proudly, when you feel happy about what you did. Example, she proudly showed her new shoes. Friendship, the good relationship between friends. Example, their friendship makes them happy. Purr, the soft sound a cat makes when happy. Example, the cat purrs when I pat it. Welcome to the questions part. Don't worry, just do your best and have fun. Where is the little gray cat at the beginning of the story? A, on Robo's shoulder. B, on the couch. C, in the market. D. On a fruit stand. What does Robo want to do in Cityville? A. Sleep more. B. Explore the city. C. Buy toys. D. Catch birds. What makes Robo happy at the toy shop? A. The balloons. B. The bell sound. C. Watching children laugh. D. The fruit stands. What color is the balloon that the little girl drops? A. Blue. B. Green. C. Yellow. D. Red. How does Robo help the little girl? A. He buys her a new balloon. B. He climbs up and brings back her balloon. C. He asks the cat to get the balloon. D. He gives her a toy. What does the story say about friendship at the end? A. Friendship is only for humans. B. Friendship starts with one kind action. C. Friendship is found in the market. D. Friendship is not important.
My dear friend, our English lesson is over today. Active listening will make you progress. Don't forget to practice. You need to practice to become strong. Want to master Learn English? You're missing out if you're not subscribed. I upload new tips and tricks every day that will take your skills to the next level. Subscribe now and never fall behind. Good luck. Goodbye.